Oh my God. I pull up and the church bells start ringing and a bird has landed on top of my Uncle Leonard's monument. This monument's named after Leonard Calloway Pratt. His ancestors erected it. They were judges. They were everything. We even got an owl hooting in the background. And the lilies that are growing around it are the same ones at my home. He owned 13 acres directly behind my house. That was left out of his succession. It's now part of Bussy Break Reservoir. It's interesting, isn't it? I went to the furnace yesterday at Tan Hill. The Briarfield furnace that was burned during the Civil War that provided iron to the Confederacy was burned, destroyed. And Daniel Pratt, who was Leonard Calloway Pratt's uncle, ran the world's largest cotton gin manufacturing corporation in Prattville, Alabama. He also ran the Underground Railroad. He sent the people to a Pratt in New York. And when he found out that they went into a mass grave, he donated half of the railroad and half of the world's largest cotton gin manufacturing corporation to a black man named Charles Atwood in Birmingham, Alabama. That all happened. We're going to take some pictures. I just wanted to show you, if you come against me for my heritage is protected by the Alabama Supreme Court. You can hit the unfriend button where the good Lord split you. That's all I know to tell you.